可以了吗？
You are right， 你按一下绿色就可以了。
Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation. Today we will be discussing the importance of understanding vehicle parameters in developing electric system solution. The purpose of this presentation is to help clients understanding the importance of completing the questionnaire before project completion. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. We will start with a brief introduction to why vehicle parameters are so important. Then we will decode the core performance parameters that you need to fill. Next, we will discuss how to align these parameters with your spicy operational needs. Finally, we will wake up with a conclusion that summarizing the key takeaways. So why do vehicle parameters matter? Simple put, they are the DNA of the vehicle. They determine everything from how fast it can go to how much it can carry and how efficient it is. Moving on to this slide, we have an overview of the core performance parameters, which we refer to as the powerhouse of your vehicle. This part is crucial for us to understand your spicy requirements. Next part, we can see the key point of vehicle parameter. The following 4 items are especially important in our technical selection process. These parameters determine the vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, safety, and suitability for different scenarios. So they are mandatory fields in the questionnaire. Transmission. Whether or not the transmission is returned affects the selection of the powertrain type. If returned, use the internal supply motor type. Otherwise, use the flash motor type. If you are not returned the original transmission, we will also need the customer to provide the gear reel of the original transmission so that we can calculate the maximum speed and climbing torque. And this is the performance target. Climbing speed and the gradient are critical performance indicators for power translation. They generally determine the maximum power and torque reserve required by the powertrain. Detail influence the motor specification, transmission required design, and even the configuration of the cooling system. For electric vehicle, the battery system is critical. The type of battery characteristic, it is voltage and energy rating, and the cooling system all play a role in its performance, safety, and longevity. The electrical interface, including the braking and steering system, affects both safety and driving comfort. The choice between hydraulic and air brakes or hydraulic and electric steering depends on your vehicle type and operational needs. In questionnaire, we can ensure that these critical systems are compatible with your requirements. All right, let's make a conclusion. We have broken down all the core parameters that make a vehicle system talk, from how transmission choose affects motor relation to the trade-off between region and CVSO. But here's the big takeaway. Spice on a page only give us so far. The real magic happens when we listen to you, our customers. By using questionnaires and your direct feedback, we turn these numbers into solution that work for your real-world needs, not just a spreadsheet. At the end of the day, we are not just building a vehicle system, we are building the right system for your project. Thank you.
Okay.